The curve 3x squared plus xy minus y squared plus 4y minus 3 equals 0, and the line y equals 2, 1 minus x, intersects at the points A and B. I'm just going to expand this out actually. So 2 minus 2x. Find the coordinates of A and B. Well, we could just substitute in here for y and work it out, and that's actually what I'm going to do. There's less places to substitute if we rearrange and substitute for x, but we'd be then having fractions, so I think we might be better off just to substitute in more places. So we have 3x squared plus x, 2 minus 2x, take away 2 minus 2x squared, plus 4 lots of 2 minus 2x, take away 3 equals 0. So that's 3x squared plus 2x minus 2x squared. Now, we've got to do a squared bracket here. You can go off to the side and do the working for this. It's going to be 4 minus 8x plus 4x squared. Then we've got plus 8, take away 8x, take away 3 equals 0. So 3x squared plus 2x minus 2x squared minus 4 plus 8x minus 4x squared plus 8 minus 8x, take away 3 equals 0. So we've got a bit of collecting of terms to do here. So in x squareds, we've got 3, take away 2, take away 4. So that's 3 take away 6, so that's minus 3x squareds. So that's my x squareds dealt with. Let's just cross those off since we've dealt with them. And then x's, we've got 2 and 8, that's 10. Take away 8, so that's 2x's, positive 2x's. And then with the numbers, we have got 8, take away 4, take away 3. So that's actually just plus 1. And multiply 3 by negative 1. And I've got 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. I'm pretty sure we can factorize that. So we've got 3x and x, 1 and 1. Let's make that one a minus, that one a plus. So we get x equals negative 1/3 or x equals 1. So if x equals 1, y is equal to 0. So we'll call that one the point B, 1, 0. And if x is negative 1/3, that gives us 2 plus 2/3. So that's 6/3, add 2/3 is 8/3, so y equals 8/3, and so A is the point negative 1/3, 8/3. So moving on, we need to find the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. So I think we need the gradient of AB to start with. So that would be 8/3 take away 0, difference in the y's, over negative 1/3 take away 1, difference in the x's, so that's 8/3 divided by negative 4/3, which is negative 2. So the gradient of the perpendicular that we want is going to be a half. Remember, if the lines are perpendicular, then their product, or the product of their gradients, should be negative 1. A half times negative 2 is negative 1. And then the midpoint, so we've got negative 1/3 add 1 divided by 2. And we've got 8/3 add 0 divided by 2. So this is 2/3 divided by 2, which is 1/3. And 8/3 divided by 2, which is 4/3. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So we've got y take away 4/3 is equal to a half x take away 1/3. Let's multiply through by 6. So we've got 6y. So that would be take away 8, because the 6 will cancel with the 3 down to 2, and then 2 times 4. And 6 over 2 is 3, so that's going to be 3x take away 1, if we do that. And so we've got 3x. The y goes to the same side as the x, it's going to be minus 6y. And we'll then need to bring the 1 to this side, so it's going to be negative 7. 3x minus 6y is negative 7, or equivalently 6y minus 3x equals 7. So an answer like that would fit this form